What's up for a burping contest? I'm in. I'm in too. Also, I'm gonna win this time. Alright, let's do this. It's my turn. Snurf this. Oh, you wanna hear mine? Okay. What about me? My turn. Watch this. Again. Here come the herbs. Nerf yourself. Mine is even louder. Here we go. Take cover. Huh? Did I win? Yes, you did. Ugh. All your breath stank. Penny? I said your breath stank. Get out here, bubble butt. Ah, That's our teacher. Oh no. I'm sorry. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Oh. Gross. I believe it's your burp again. Wow. It was nothing but happiness than a great burping contest. Gross, too.